Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on the stunning 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross LS. Starting off at the front, I'm going to walk you through some of the features. Obviously, the condition does present like new, but the Eclipse, having all the features it does, is probably one of my favorite Mitsubishi's current models. At the front, you can see that very unique take on the dynamic shield look on that front end with the Mitsubishi badging right in the middle of that chrome grille. Does give it a really sharp angled look along with those really sharp headlights in there as well. So projector headlights are going to give you a very clear beam of light, and those nice big fog lights with the indicator built in there do absolutely look stunning on the front of the vehicle. We've also got that really sleek daytime running light just running through the headlight. Paintwork, I'm not going to spend too long on because obviously on this kind of kilometers it does present like new. The wheels are a brilliant design with the chrome and black look to it. The mirrors themselves color match to the paintwork along with the door handles and keyless entry as well. Now when you do lock the car, the mirrors fold in, and when you unlock it they fold back out. Making our way along now. Once again, not going to spend too long on the actual condition of the vehicle because this kind of kilometers you expect nothing less of near perfect. On the back here we've got the reverse parking sensors and the reverse camera in there, and the tailgate itself, that split windshield with the brake light running through the middle, does give you really good visibility as well. Having a look inside the back now, got a cargo blind in here, so that does keep everything in the back nice and private. Got plenty of storage in the back, and when you lift this up, your space saver spare is under there with your jack and tools. Close that back up quickly and we'll keep making our way along. Now the sharp edges of this vehicle are built for aerodynamics, so it is a sportier looking vehicle, and let's face it, the sharp edges do really make the car look incredible. We've got the fuel filler cap on the passenger side, and if I open the back I'll just show you quickly how the back seats actually fold down. So pulling the handle on the back of the seat does let you fold them almost flat, so plenty of options there if you did want to put extra stuff in the vehicle. As I said, not going to spend too long on the condition, but it is a beautiful design by Mitsubishi on the Eclipse Cross. What we're going to do now is actually pop the bonnet and have a bit of a chat about the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. So that's going to give you a really smooth drive and plenty of torque early on as well. It has also got that 3-point strut brace in the engine bay, which is going to hold your whole chassis together and give you really good handling around corners. Now the ANCAP Safety Rating is 5 stars and it's got 7 airbags. You get 110 kilowatts of power with 250 Newton meters of torque. The petrol fuel tank holds 63 litres and it will run on 91, giving you a combined fuel consumption of 7.3 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 863 kilometers from the full tank. Alright, taking a look inside the Eclipse Cross now. On the driver's side door here, just near your thumb if you were to hold the handle, you have got your toggles for your power mirrors. Now there is a button there that actually lets you fold it in as well. There is a carbon fiber wrapping that goes around your power window switches. They are all automatic. You've got the central locking buttons and your window lock there as well. On the right hand side here you've got the your forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning and traction control buttons. You've also got the headlight adjuster to change the angle of your headlights, couple of blank buttons and your parking sonars. On the right hand stalk you've got your indicators and automatic headlights, and on the left hand stalk all your washer and wiper controls. Wipers are also automatic. Behind the steering wheel you've got 2 large paddle shifters if you wanted to change your gears manually, and on the steering wheel itself, cruise control settings on the right and all your media controls on the left. Now there is a button just on the right hand side of the cluster here to let you change the brightness of the cluster, and a couple of menu buttons which let you switch through the display between the clusters. Moving on into the center, if you're familiar with Lexus, you'll definitely recognize this interior because it is styled loosely off a Lexus interior with the pop-up display. Now the display itself is touchscreen, as you can see. You have got digital radio, AM and FM radio, and you've also got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in there as well. Just under here you've got your climate control, so you can just set the temperature and press auto. The car will just regulate the temperature through the vents. Down below that, eco mode, 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket, as well as some storage if you wanted to keep his phone there while it was plugged in. The shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive and bump it to the left, you can switch through your gears manually. You've also got a touchpad down here, similar once again to the Lexus. There are various gestures to help you switch through the touchpad, and if you wanted to know more about it, there is a tutorial on the last page of your homepage. Also some buttons on the touchpad for easy navigation. You've also got your electric park brake, auto hold, 2 cup holders with the adjustable grommets for different size cups, and your factory key as well. You do get two factory keys with this vehicle. You've got the leather wrapped center console, and when you open it up, there is a little tray in here if you wanted to store something in there, and plenty of storage as well. Now if we quickly pan around the interior, you will notice that, well, being pretty much a brand new car, it is in remarkable condition. Really nice design on these seats as well. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this stunning Eclipse. It is awesome value, and I would not miss the opportunity to take advantage of everything we have to offer here. Being a Mitsubishi dealership, we have a variety of accessories available to help you personalize your new purchase. The other thing I would highly recommend is ask us about the glass coat, because that's just going to help you protect your paintwork, especially if it is a long-term investment. That's going to give you a lifetime warranty against bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and many other forms of damage. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan. Highly recommended on any new purchase, because that will extend your warranty by another 5 years, give you 181 items worth of protection, up to 200,000 kilometers, and up to 10 years of platinum roadside assist. So really good value there. And if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options and tailor a package to suit your needs. Just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So once again, if you have any questions, the number is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.